Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to check a laptop's specifications. To do this, you simply have to select the Start menu, go to Settings, select System, and scroll all the way down to About section. And right here, in this window, you'll be able to see all the information about your laptop, like storage, graphics card, installed RAM, processor. You can also see it written down right here. You can also check the system specifications below. And if you want to track each element of your hardware on your device and also get to know it better, you can right-click your taskbar, go to Task Manager, select the Performance section, which is right here, the second tab, and here you'll be able to check each element of your hardware in real time. So CPU, memory, RAM memory, both of your disks, Wi-Fi and GPU. And on the right, at the top right, you'll be able to see the name of your of the elements, and below you'll be able to see the utilization and specifications, and also the used resources of the element of the hardware. So basically that's how you check your device's specifications. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.